Hey, folks, thanks for tuning in. So, real quick, Valentine's Day is a week away. Men enjoy some good gifts too. We want to feel like we're being loved, and since this is a season of love, here's a little something you can do for your guy. So, here it is, the number one gift for men on Valentine's Day. So, my wife got me this a few years ago. It's a Leatherman Surge multi tool. It's got just about everything that you need on it for daily use or just those DIY projects around the house. We've got a straight blade. We've got scissors. We've got a serrated blade, and we've got a file here as well. Inside our pliers, we've got flathead screwdrivers, a punch awl, bottle opener, a bit for Phillips heads. So I have a second package here as well. These heads come out, and I bought an accessory package that comes with different types of heads you can use, and also has an adapter to make this a ratcheting driver. So this plugs in like so. Bit goes in the end and actually can be used as a ratchet. So this, number one tool for Valentine's Day. But wait, inside this packet, I use this every day on the side as well. It's a Streamlight flashlight. This is rechargeable USB. Two different settings, bright, dim, dim. Whoop. See there. Best gift on earth.